Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use Indeed salary search to research salaries for different job titles and locations. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar you will have to type indeed.com. This will land you on the official website of Indeed, where you just have to first log in into your account if you already have an account on Indeed, or you can even create a new account if you don't have an account on Indeed. Now once you have successfully created your account, you are going to see this type of section in front of you, where you can use this search bar in order to find different kinds of job titles, keywords and companies based on your location. So over here you will have to provide the job title that you are looking. For example, you want to search for the job and the salary structure for an accountant, so you will have to type accountant in this search bar. After that, you will have to select your city or your country. So let's say you want to search for the job in New York, so you will have to type New York in this section and then you need to press search. After waiting for some time, it will show you all of the results relating to the accountant that are available in the city or the country that you have selected. Now over here you will notice that the job posting is also telling you about the salary that they are going to give you in a year. So you just have to select that particular job which is more appealing to you. In order to select it, you simply need to click on it and here you can find their job description. So if you are eligible for this job, then you can click on this apply now button and it will redirect you on the next page, where you need to fill out the form with your information in order to apply for the designation that you have selected. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.